Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. You'll get to see more content like this. So if you saw my shorts, you saw me kind of showing off what the wing after I've assembled it. After polishing it, cutting, I guess it's called cutting, well, sanding, cutting, and polishing it turned out pretty alright. There are some pitting there, but it's from the paint, and like I said, in the future I will be repainting this. I just kind of wanted to get this done and over with and mount it on the car. And if you've watched my other videos, you know that I bought a little airbrush kit to try to get these little side edges, and did a pretty good job. As you can see, it covered it all pretty well, and you cannot even really tell that it's been airbrush, that it has been airbrushed. Apologize for my stuttering and lack of grammar. I've just gotten home from work and it is pretty late, but I just wanted to make this video. And these are Allen screws. It is adjustable. Not much can be said about the carbon fiber other than it looks really nice, and the wing will probably be the best looking part of the car, as the car needs a lot of I guess you could call it body work as far as paint goes. Oh, I want to mention that all these screws, they went in pretty easily, and these screws went in easily as well. So on the wing here, there are two screws, one going through here, another going through here. Now I did have a little issue with the screw that went in here. It looked like the carbon fiber had gotten overlapped into the hole, and so I had to tighten it. It was giving me a little resistance, but I just went ahead and kept tightening it, and eventually it got through and it tightened. It went in normally, I guess you could say. I don't think all the wings like that. I think it was just this specific wing and this specific hole that had happened to, and not a big deal. Here is the placard. Good look. Now with these placards, they come flat, nice and flat. What I had to do was bend them a little bit so they were nice and flat, so I bend it a little bit to make them fit in. They do fit in pretty well, but with the paint, the 3 layers of paint and the 2 layers of clear coat, I guess it kind of made the sizing a little bit different. So, and not only that, if you pinch a little bit, it'll fit the contour a little bit better. That's just my case, and as you can see, it sits pretty flush, not too bad. And as well on this side, you can see that those little white spots on the edges have been airbrushed out, and it actually looks pretty nice. Doesn't look too bad. I will be mounting this pretty soon. I'm still working on the Integra, getting the front end suspension all put in, waiting on some CV axles. They will be coming in a week. Stay tuned and watch me try to put that thing together. Went down a rabbit hole and started having to buy extra tools and extra parts. But yeah, I think I might Cerakote these with the Cerakote spray, just for the heck of it, since I have it. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Just want to talk about the wing real quick with everybody.